Yeah, everybody. So, what did Trump accomplish? Right? What has he accomplished? He said day one he was going to end the Ukraine war. Gas prices are going to go down. He said like egg prices are going to everything's going to go down. Interest rates, everything, inflation. What happened? What happened? Things are worse. Middle East is worse. I mean, when Trump took over, Israel was doing what they were doing genocidally in Gaza. It's worse. They've gone ahead and attacked Lebanon. It's worse. Now they went ahead and attacked Iran. It's worse. Trump was doing the thing in Ukraine. Trump went ahead and picked sides and decided to stay on the side of Putin and Russia, on the aggressor, and try to humiliate Zelensky. And Putin took that as a sign of weakness from Trump, which of course it was a sign of weakness. Absolutely was weakness. And Zelensky, not Zelensky, but Putin, went ahead and said yeah, and then went ahead and attacked. And then Trump got all mad and said that, oh, Trump is Putin is. Oh my God, my eyes are